Gemz Academy when I'm showing you how to make your own snacks or anything like that. So let's see it here. All right. So I'm going to play it for you.
Today, I will show you how to make energy balls that can be eaten for breakfast or when you want a guilt-free snack. The ingredients include dates, oatmeal. You could use quick oatmeal or old-fashioned, flax seeds, maple syrup, cacao, coconut flakes, and vanilla extract. Oatmeal assists with binding the balls together and are a prebiotic, which help to feed the friendly bacteria in your gut. It's also important for a healthy digestive system. Medjool dates contain a good source of selenium, magnesium, calcium, potassium, and copper. Studies have shown that they help to stimulate the immune system and reduce inflammation. The key ingredient in this recipe is cacao, and it's considered a superfood. According to WebMD, it is packed with flavonoids, and this is a nutrient that has been shown to help lower blood pressure, improve blood flow to the heart, and aid in preventing blood clots. The flavonoids in cacao powder may help with increased insulin sensitivity and reduce your risk of diabetes. Now, I'm going to show you how to make these delicious energy balls. And if you notice, I mentioned the ingredient cacao. Cacao is actually raw chocolate, which is great. It's also considered a superfood, and I like to use it in many things. I actually use it too when I'm making myself hot chocolate. Instead of using cocoa powder, I use cacao powder. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So the first thing you're going to need are some dates. This recipe calls for 4 dates. So you want 4 pitted dates. So you actually want to remove the pit. You're also going to need a food processor for this recipe as well. Make sure that you remove the pit because you do not want to destroy your food processor. Not cool at all. So I'm going to put the dates in here first. And then what I like to do is once I put the dates in there, I like to ground it up. Put it through the food processor. So I'm going to grind that up first. Okay, next I'm going to add the oatmeal. I'm using a 1/2 cup of oatmeal here. You could use old-fashioned oats or quick oats. And that's going to help to bind the balls together. Here I have some flax seeds. So I have a tablespoon of flax seeds, which I'm going to add. And remember, flax seeds, you get your omega-6 and omega-3. Omega-3 especially is important. I have the coconut flakes here for your fiber. I'm going to add some maple syrup. So I added a tablespoon of coconut flakes, and I have a 1/2 tablespoon of maple syrup that I'm adding. I have vanilla extract here, and I actually made this vanilla extract myself. In an episode, I will be showing you how to make your own vanilla extract. It's a very simple recipe. And what I have here, the key ingredient, cacao, which is a superfood, and basically what all it is raw chocolate. So now I'm going to grind up all these ingredients together so we can make our balls, our energy balls. All right, I feel as though I grinded that up enough. So I'm going to remove the cover, and I'm going to take a spoon, and it's very simple. You just take it, and you place it in your hand, and you just roll it. It's that simple. I actually have some here that I pre-made. Just roll it, and I'll show you one more time. I'll do it one more time. You just put it in your hand, get a spoon, take it out, put it in your hand, and you just roll it. That's simple, and that's it. Try it. It's a great snack, especially if you are like chocolate like I do, and there's certain times of the month where I need my chocolate fix, and this really helps too. It helps to fill that spot, or it really hits the spot when I really want my chocolate fix. And this is healthy, guilt-free snack. So give it a try.
So we are going